Hello, Andy at Rezio here. Just wanting to introduce a new feature we're calling estimate versioning. It allows you to choose different items and costs from your estimate to apply to a proposal. You can send out multiple proposals with different costs from your estimate, and then whichever one gets approved, you can then apply that version of the proposal back to your estimate to update your estimate. And so let me demo this feature for you. So basically we have an estimate here. I didn't add any costs, but that's not important. So what I can do is go and create a proposal. This new window now allows me to select what areas I want to include in my proposal. And so let's say I only want to include these top three. This will be version 1 of the proposal. So I'm going to create it. It only includes, those three areas, right? And then we have the bottom. I'm going to release this to the client. Okay. And now maybe I want to give them version 2, right? Maybe they're interested in another option. Maybe they want to include, a pool in the quote, or maybe they want to see what it would cost to remodel the basement as well as the kitchen. So I can now go back to my estimate and I can create another proposal. Let me just refresh. Yeah, so let's create proposal 2. And in this one, I'm only going to include these options, right? I mean, this is a simplified version of it, but you can include, different categories. So I'm going to create a proposal with these categories. All right, these only include the bottom 3. And I'm going to release this one. All right. And now we wait for the client to go ahead and approve one. So let's say, for example, the client approves the first version. All right, so just 1,000 through 3,000. So I'm going to approve it. And now we have this new button, Apply to Estimate. So right now my estimate includes everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply these changes, this approved proposal, and we're going to get rid of the last 3 categories. So it's asking, okay, we're going to remove these 3. What's going to be included is the first 3. And it's going to remove everything within these categories, and it will update the price. So let's go ahead and apply. It takes a little while to update. And now I'm going to hop over to my estimate, and it's going to remove those bottom 4 automatically. And now we just have the top part. This is based on categories, so there's currently no way to go in and break out things inside categories. So make sure when you are building out your estimate that you do categorize the different options. So, option for the basement, option for the kitchen, however you want to do it. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.